Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve two word problem based on algebra linear equation. First question. A number is 2 by 5 times of another number. If the sum of the number is 98, find the two numbers. So here is three things we have to carefully understand. First of all, a number which is 2 by 5 times of another number. So a number, another number, and summation of two numbers. So let answer, let a number equals to x, another number x of what, 2 by 5, or we can say 2x divide 5. Now as per question, look, as per question, if the sum of the numbers, it means two numbers, summation is 98. As per question, x plus 2x divide 5 equals to 98, right? So we have to find out the value of x. If we get the x, we also get another number. So we can make LCM. So 5x plus 2x equals to 98. Now cross multiplication, 5x plus 2x, it will be 7x, and here is 98 times 5. This is cross multiply, right? Then 7x equals to 5 times 8 is 40, 0, 5 times 9 is a 45, so 49. Okay, then we can divide both sides by 7. So x equals to 490 divide 7. Divide both sides by 7, right? So answer is 70. Now a number x equals to 70. So another number 2x divide 5, 2 times 70 divide 5, so this is 14, 14 times 2, 28. So answer 70 and 28. Okay. Second question. Difference of numerator and denominator of a proper fraction is 1. Look, we can highlight this one. This one is a proper fraction. It means numerator less than denominator, and the difference is 1. So we can say like this, answer, let a numerator of fraction equals to x and a denominator of fraction x plus 1. So the difference of this fraction, numerator and denominator, will be 1. So fraction equals to x divide x plus 1. Okay. Now here is mentioned if 2 is subtracted from numerator, so x minus 2, and 2 is added to the denominator, so x plus 1 plus 2, it will be equal to 1 by 6, so equals to 1 divide 6. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of x. So here is x minus 2 and x plus 3 equals to 1 by 6. Now we can cross multiply. 6 x minus 2 equals to x plus 3. Subtitle we can say cross multiply, right? Then 6x minus 12 equals to x plus 3. Then 6x, this x become minus x equals to 3, and minus 12 become plus 12, right? Then 5x equals to 15. We can write here, so we can divide both sides by 5. 5x divide 5 equals to 15 divide 5. Divide by 5. So 5 and 5 out, and 15 divide 5 means 3. So x equals to 3. So here we can say, so numerator x equals to 3. So no need to write so again. Denominator x plus 1 equals to 3 plus 1, it means 4. So what is the fraction? So fraction equals to 3 divide 4, and this is our answer. Okay. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to solve two-word problem based on linear equation, which is very important for IGCSE and SET examination, and also Indian Bangladeshi student SSC and CBSE also very important. So no more today. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.